Good morning, students. Today we are going to read the second chapter from Class 6 Supplementary Reader. And the name of the chapter is The Friendly Mongoose. The Friendly Mongoose is a famous folk tale from Panchatantra. And this story basically revolves around a farmer's family and a mongoose. So this is a story about a farmer's family and a mongoose. Okay. Now let us move on to the story. The Friendly Mongoose. The story basically begins with a farmer who used to live in a village. The farmer used to think that the small son needs a companion. That means their son or his son needs a partner. So he discusses it with his wife and brings a cute baby mongoose. And soon the baby mongoose becomes like a family member. And within few months, the baby mongoose grows to full size. While on the other hand, the farmer's son or the farmer's baby was in the cradle. One day, the house lady or the farmer's wife, she decides to go to the market in order to buy some groceries. So, she asks the farmer to keep an eye on their son as she doesn't like his son to be with the mongoose alone. To this, the farmer replies that the mongoose is a friendly animal and he is just as sweet as their son. Afterwards, his wife went away. His wife went to the market. Then the farmer was alone at home. The farmer had nothing to do. So, he decides to meet his nearby friend. And during his return, he meets other friends and becomes busy with them. Okay. Now the house lady, she finishes her shopping and arrives home. She sees that while she reaches the home, she sees that the mongoose was waiting for her. Once she comes, the mongoose runs towards her as a customary, as a customer, as a habit. At that time, the farmer's wife sees that the mongoose face as well as mongoose pawns was full of blood. She becomes very angry and thinks that the mongoose has killed her son. And in a rage or in the anger, what she did, she throws the heavy grocery basket on the mongoose and runs inside the room or inside the house to see her son. And when she enters the room, she sees that her baby is sleeping in the cradle while she saw a black snake who was lying dead on the floor with blood. And now she understands that the mongoose has not killed her baby. Rather, the mongoose has saved her baby from the snake. She feels very pity and runs towards the mongoose. But when she went near the mongoose, she found that the mongoose was no more. The farmer's wife cries and goes back to her crying son. Okay, so what is the moral of the story? What do you understood from the story? Here, we saw that the lady became very angry and with the rage or with the anger, she killed the mongoose. She didn't even analyze the situation and initiated the action without the use of mind. So this story, it teaches us not to be angry and take action without mind if something goes wrong. Else, we will have to repent later, just like the farmer's wife. Clear? So this is all about the story. Thank you.